Not happy with the way that your eyeshadow turns out? Well, you might be making one of these 5 eyeshadow mistakes. You're using eyeshadow brushes that are way too big for your eye shape, so it's gonna be challenging to do clean, defined looks. You do the windshield wiper to blend your colors together, which is why everything looks muddy and messy. You use the same brush to apply all your different colors, and you use that brush to blend, so then you can't see all the different shades that you used. You spend so much time perfecting winged eyeliner, and then you get discouraged if it doesn't go right, so you wanna give up and not even try other looks. You don't take the time to fill up the space between your lid and your brow because you're worried you're gonna look like Mimi from the Drew Carey show. There's lots of space, add definition, and it'll make your eyes look bigger. And here's a bonus tip. You don't have a step-by-step framework to follow or a pro makeup artist to give you feedback on your looks. So I'm gonna give you that framework, and I'm gonna be that pro makeup artist that gives you feedback. In my eye makeup course, Love Your Lid, you're gonna learn the fundamental makeup principles that will help you do all the different looks and be able to adapt certain looks to your specific features. There's 7 modules, so way too much to talk about in a 30-second video, so go check out the details, and right now it's $50 off. See you inside Love Your Lids.